in the Bahamas, baby.
We're in the Bahamas, baby, for the first time.
Yes.
For the first time.
Yes.
I feel nothing yet, but just wait. I will.
She's re-upping on her Caribbean powers.
Yeah, you know how like in the Matrix, how they reload stuff into their psyche? That's what's happening to me right now. Yes, we made it to the Bahamas. We're waiting for our taxi to get here. And then we'll go somewhere else. On this channel, we do a few things. 1, travel. 2, Moody Mondays, where you never know what video you'll get on a Monday, but it'll always be a video and it'll always be a mood. What we reading Wednesdays, we talk about what we reading. And then Van Life Fridays, when I vlog about my life in my 91 Chevrolet G20 van named Ben, who is back in Connecticut while we're here. So,
In the Bahamas.
In the Bahamas.
I'm here to add like commentary, just ad libs.
Yeah.
Think of me like Takeoff.
This looks unreal. Thank you. Cheers, my love.
Cheers.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Wow.
Already. Hi, hello. We made it to part of the beach.
Hi.
We've gotten food. We gotten drinks. We both got rum punch. I opted for a rum punch because it seemed like it would be best for me to make a decision quickly. And so I did that, and then we got food. I wanted hot dogs, and I will have a dog in my mouth before we leave, but I was not, I don't have a glizzy in my mouth before we leave, but they were also a little chaotic. There's only 2 of them, and there was a lot of dogs on that roaster thingy, and they seemed a little bit confused. So instead of that, I opted for fries, so we're gonna enjoy drink and fries. Shanine got sweet potato fries and jerk wings, and we're gonna sit and enjoy the beach for a bit. We've been out here for probably 30 minutes. So, I'm about to be chocolate, and I'm gonna need, it's about to be a no makeup look going forward. Maybe I can finagle with my bronzer. We have a dinner reservation at Costa, and the menu looks amazing. It's Mexican? Mexican food, looks amazing, so I can't wait to get dressed and get ready for that. But in general, we're at the Grand Hyatt Bahamas, and then so far it's so beautiful. When we were walking around, I wanted to put the camera up and show like what it looks like, but that just is creepy because it still is a family place, and I don't want to be that person. The camera's on me, so even though so looks weird.
YouTubers do it all the time. You're fine.
Huh?
YouTubers do it all the time.
Yeah, but I don't want to be that YouTuber. So maybe at night when it's like lit and the kids are quote unquote have a bedtime. Maybe, but I will make sure I show you the walkthrough of the place so you guys can see it if you want to stay here.
Yes.
Where's that woman with the stick?
Right.
No, I would have got. They should have a bucket of rocks just to throw at people who like go past the barrier. Anyway, I will see you back at the hotel. Oh, it's my little sandcastle. A tiny, cute little sandcastle. Oh. Do they have a sandcastle competition here? I think they did. Was it here or a different beach?
No idea.
Okay, so in Milford, Connecticut, I'm pretty sure they have a sandcastle beach day and they have a competition. And I kind of want to go and watch that, not gonna lie. So I've seen it only on TikTok. Anyway, I'm getting past the point. We're having a good time. We made it safely. We will show you what we're doing later. If you are coming from my get ready with me and packing for the trip where I said I would do my nails, not done. So that is something that we would also be doing.
Lies. Should be lying, y'all.
I do. And I put in the caption. So I lied. I love you. I am grateful for you. And I will see you next time. Bye. I did lie. So I'm going to finish that when we get upstairs. I'm very excited for the set that I bought from Ulta. So yeah, we have a lot to do on this trip, and I'm really, 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 really excited to bring everyone along and to be with one of my best friends. Look at her. She's so cute. I lied. We're back, and I'm going to try one of the wings. Are you more of a flat person or a...
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
These wings are so good, I'll fuck them both up.
Yes, jerk, but also a little bit of Thai, like a Thai flavoring. That like I would have like a Thai chili
I
wing.
think it's like the stickiness.
So good. I would still dip it in blue cheese. I would douse this thing in some blue cheese.
Oh,
I know. Are you a blue cheese or a ranch person?
I'm giving her a stank face.
Yeah, may I please do a single scoop cup with cookies and cream?
Any toppings on that?
Yes, may I please do hot fudge and crushed nuts? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
Stay, okay?
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Got this. Or not.
Wow.
Let's go. Finally. We have finally made it into the room, y'all. Oh my God. Oh, there's chairs outside. It took us 3 times to get to the right room. The first time it was the right room is in the East Wing. Our bands that we have to check in with didn't work. Second time I was like, well, maybe she said, but I thought I heard the lady say West Wing. So we went over to the West Wing to see if that was our room. Bands didn't work. We go downstairs again. They just changed our room and gave us new bands. And now we're in our room. We're in our room. So over here we have our daily coffee machine, our cups. I will go get ice in a second. And then I just found out literally before I hit record that these are ours to keep and we just refill them. So it's not plastic water bottles and it's eco-friendly. Let's see the closets. Nice, 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 nice. I like it, Picasso. Cute. And then you see the bathroom. Oh my God, they have a tub in here. I am clearly pooped for the day. I've clearly done a lot. It's been a very, very, very eventful first day, and it is only probably, I think, 5 o'clock. We still have plenty of the day left, and I am still having energy. I can do a lot of things. I think we lost her for a little bit, but she's gonna recover. This, if you see up here, this is her battery recharging. And then we have one other closet, and we have 2 robes. We have an ironing board, obviously an iron, and then more hangers for our stuff. It's a beautiful room. 10 out of 10, once you can get in it.
So, maybe it's time to rethink this no gun policy. A little ass whooping ain't blue as hell. I see Neil diving. I gotta admit, he is.
No. I'm Mike. Someone like, oh, these are gorgeous. Can you see that? Like little cupids. And it's gold and roses and stars, embellishments that I would not have been able to do.
I know.
This could be like my working bag. Like I put all my, this has all my my editing stuff and like note stuff in here. This is gorgeous. And I'm actually throw out that white one. I've just been dingy since it's been in my presence. This is beautiful. Thank you.
I got some of this scrub from Arizona so you can try it.
They're here. We're headed to dinner. Red was Shanine's original set, so I decided to wear my red to be slightly matchy. This is 7. This is 7. We were supposed to be in 7? Oh, walk the runway. So we're currently headed to dinner. I didn't show my getting ready. I did a short form video, but I put on these lashes that I had. The thing is, I think 16, 16, 14, 14, 8 on my eyes. A little bit of blush, some silver, and red lip. Well, this is gorgeous. Walkway to the other building to get to the restaurant we're going to. We're a little bit late, but hopefully the grace period is like fine. I think I'm gonna do the cherry mule. Also the dolces, that's right in the middle. It was easy. It's right in the middle of the plate. They're like, yeah, that right here, it's perfect.
You wanted me.
It's not a small corner of anything. It's just
You're working against me here.
they're working for you.
I was also considering the butter poached spiny lobster tacos. I liked,
That's dangerous. It's
Yeah.
so good. No. Oh, y'all fat as well. I don't know how I got that fat. Okay, so we are at Costa, one of the resort restaurants. Also, the lighting here sucks, you're right. How do I rectify this situation? First of all, I'm hot. Anyway, Costa is, oh, thank you so much. It's like we're wrapping up to pull another romantic vacation with your bestie. Instead of a man. This is what your mom is talking about. This is why she's done with us. Her mom literally was like, none of you are ugly. Neither of you are ugly. Why can't you find a man? Have you looked at them lately? Anyway, back to the good stuff. At Costa, at the resort, I'm having the cherry meal, which is to fucking die for. I'm gonna have another one. Oh, I'm sorry, I cursed in front of your child. It's to die for. And I really do love it. And then to start off, we guacamole. My guacamole. I ordered the enchiladas, and Shanine ordered the Caesar with mahi on top. Shrimp. Ooh, people are behind me. Anyway, so we're gonna enjoy this, and I'm gonna cool down a bit because alcohol just makes me heat up, and heat makes me heat up. So, you know, double negative.
Now, why would they do this to that cat?
No. Because you heard the way I talk. Wow, I don't want that. Please don't do that. You ready?
You're so mean to me.
Any more?
So how was it so far?
Hold on.
Delicious. For me, at least.
Get your drink?
Although that was the hottest bite of anything I've ever taken. It is amazing. It is so good. It is so good. And then I ordered another cherry mule. So good. Would you like a bite?
Yes. It is.
Yeah.
Would you like to try yummy shrimpy?
I'm okay. Thank you though. Sorry, this is so good. I was in the throes of the hottest bite of my life. But it's really good. Oh, that baby got a no. It's a big bite. Oh my god! Not again! And oh my god! It's too much! Crystal! No! Thank you. Try it.